Hello again. I wanted to speak to you directly about direct carrier appointments. One of the things that we try to do at Tag Alliance is to find the right strategic mix of companies. Maybe you're focused on personal insurance, maybe you're focused on commercial. It could be both. But what we don't want to do is overwhelm our members with too many companies to where you're swimming in a sea of appointments. Rather, we want to bring you strategic, focused markets so that they're successful for you. So the reason you're going independent is not to work with a wholesaler, more than likely. It's to try to have something that you can build on your own and through direct appointments. And that's really what we try to bring to our members. We do have a wholesale piece to our business because there are some companies that just flat out won't work with direct appointments with our members. But for the majority and the key appointments, we've got the ability to get our members the appointments they need. So that's kind of a little bit of a background on direct company appointments. That allows you to write, service, quote, transact, do everything with that company directly. That's about it. We'll talk to you soon. In business, cash flow is king. We all know that. So at Tag Alliance, when you have a direct appointment, those companies, your carriers, pay you directly. Your commissions go straight to you. They do not funnel through Tag Alliance. And that really gets the money to you much more quickly than if everything was coming centralized through Tag Alliance. Now in our wholesale component, that money does come through Tag Alliance to our members. But the majority of our members who work directly with their companies get paid directly. And like I said, that gets the cash to you a lot quicker, and cash flow is king. Have a great one. We'll talk to you soon. So I got a simple question for you. Did you start your agency to have somebody else's name out front? I don't think so. Well, on your deck pages, when you're dealing through a wholesaler, that's just what's happening. Somebody else's name's out front. The benefit for our members of working with us and our companies directly is that their agency's name is on their deck page. There's zero confusion when their clients get the deck pages. And that's a real benefit. It makes our members feel good. That's why you started your agency. You want to be an entrepreneur. You want your name on stuff. So that's one of the benefits of being with Tag Alliance. Talk to you soon.